In this short video, I'm gonna be walking through how to remove your email address from your Facebook account from computer and mobile. First of all, let's see the process on computer. On your computer browser, open Facebook and sign into your account. Now click on your profile photo and here click on settings and privacy and click on settings. And now in this left hand menu, just click on account center. Once you are in your account center, here just click on personal details and here click on contact info. And here you will find all of your added phone numbers and email address associated with your Facebook account. Now to remove any email account, just click on the account and just click on delete email address and click on delete, and the email address will be deleted from your Facebook account. Now let's see the process on mobile. On your mobile, open Facebook and tap on your profile photo and tap on this settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And the same way, just tap on account center and here tap on personal details. Tap on contact info. And here you'll find all of your added email addresses and phone numbers. Just tap on the email that you want to remove and just tap on delete email. Tap on delete and the email address will be removed from your Facebook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.